Right, in this video we're going to look at some exam questions on polygons. When it comes to polygons, some of the key things you need to remember: interior angles, sum will be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So if you want to find the sum of interior angles of any polygon, take n, which is the number of sides, subtract 2, times it by 180, and you've got the sum of the interior angles. For the exterior angles, it's a little bit more straightforward. Exterior angles will always sum to 360 degrees. It doesn't matter what polygon it is. It could be a triangle, it could be a quadrilateral, it could be a nonagon, doesn't matter. The exterior angles will always sum to 360 degrees. And one more thing on this. Regular, that is an important word to note in exam questions. Regular tells me that all the sides are equal, but also, and surely more importantly, it also means all the angles are equal. So there are just three key things to remember when you want to solve polygons. So, looking at this one, we're told the diagram shows a square and 4 regular pentagons. So here's our square, and there are 4 pentagons, 5-sided. Work out the size of the angle marked X. Okay, first thing I'll notice that it's regular. So all these angles are going to be equal. And it's the same with the other polygons, or the other pentagons I should say. They're all going to be equal to each other. We're told that this is a square, and from that we know that all these angles inside the square are going to be 90 degrees. So we just focus on up here at X. We know that if X plus this angle plus the 90 plus this angle over here, they're going to add to 360 degrees, because angles around a point sum to 360 degrees. So all we're missing are these angles here. They're going to be the same whatever it is, because they're regular pentagons, they're all the same. So let's find the sum of interior angles in a pentagon. Well, it's 5-sided, so we've got 5 minus 2 times 180. 3 multiplied by 180. 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. So that is sum of interior angles. We don't want the whole sum of the interior angles, we just want one angle. So 540 divided by 5, because there's 5 angles in the polygon, and all 5 angles are equal, remember, because we're told it's a regular pentagon. So 540 divided by 5 is 108 degrees. So back up to here, that tells me that this angle here is 108 degrees, and this angle over here is 108 degrees. And all these angles and all these pentagons are 108 degrees, because they're all regular pentagons. Final step on this one. We know that from back here, angles around a point sum to 360 degrees. So X plus 108 degrees plus 108 degrees plus the 90 degrees in the square all add to give 360 degrees. So X plus 216 plus 90 equals 360. X plus 306 is equal to 360. If we take 306 away from both sides, we end up with 54 degrees, and that is our value for x.